Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Now we got the chain already. We put it's a special tool to put the link in. So now we just finished counting the links to make sure the chain are the same. So the link on both chain, new one and old one, is 71 links. So 71 of these little links here. And make sure when you put the chain in, make sure that this little color, the color here, see that one there? They got 2, 1, and 1. Make sure those colors are actually facing you when you install it. So facing forward. So don't put it the other way. The other way, that's, you can put it this way. No, put it this way here. Make sure the chain is facing you forward, and then you gotta put the chain in first, and then you put on the other one as well. All right. So now we're gonna put the chain in now, and then we're gonna see how we go. And then I've got the 2 new sprockets here. I've got the new tensioner as well, brand new tensioner, and I don't need that one there, but that's a spare one. So okay, ready to go now. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.